Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Butterbean in her Christmas jersey. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, I'm going to start with the two eyes, and I'm just going to make two little horizontal lines, and I'm going to make a round curve on top. Then within, we're going to draw a pupil. And let's draw the light reflections. Here's one, and let's draw a smaller one below. Here's another one, and a smaller light reflection below. And right above here I want to draw the eyelashes. Let's fill the pupils in. Right between the eyes, I'm going to draw a little button nose, and then right above, we're going to draw the eyebrows. Two little eyebrows. And now I'm just going to draw a little mouth below, and the jaw. We're going to make it nice and round, all the way around, and a little ear, and on this side you can draw a little ear as well. There we go. From here I'm going to draw the fringe. Just draw a straight line down to the ear and connect it to the ear on this side. And then we're going to continue with this. So I want you to take it over, curve back, and connect it to the original line. We're going to do the same thing, curve back, connect it to the original line, and we're going to do this as well. So it's sort of a braid. On top here, and then on this side we're going to draw a little bean for Butterbean next to her ear. And we have this little bean going down here. And we're going to draw a little fringe on this side as well. A sideburn actually. Then right here on top, we're going to draw the head. And on this side we'll draw the other one, and we connect it to the ear. Now we're going to start with the body. I'm first going to draw the shoulders. I'm just going to draw two little shoulders sticking out, and that's going to give me an indication of her torso. So I'm going to draw a torso right here. And then we're going to do the arms, and you're going to bring it to the jersey on the side. Same thing here as well. We're going to make a few stripes for a jersey. Then we're going to draw the hair. And now for the dress, so we're going to draw sort of a bell shape. We're going to draw two lines out, and make a nice curve at the bottom, and there's the dress. And we're just going to make a few little lines going through to show sort of these creases. And then we're going to draw the wings. We're going to draw sort of butterfly wings on this side. And now we're going to draw the inside of the wings. And then we're going to draw a few sprinkles within her wing. Now for the legs, I'm going to start both sides and I'm just going to draw the knee. The side of the leg, the top leg and the knee, just two of those. And then in the middle you're going to bring it down. The inside of the legs, just like that. And now from here we're going to draw the outside. Nice narrow curve, a nice curve, another curve touching the other one, and then another curve as well. And you're going to make two lines just below the knees, right through. And let's draw a few beans there as well. There we go, a few beans. And now for his shoes. You're going to draw sort of two, like a bell shape. Just like that. You're going to connect it down below and you're going to connect it again. And we're going to just draw two little beans here as well, just for some interest sake. There we go. And there's Butterbean in a Christmas jersey. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your Butterbean will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.